What's the meaning of coverlet? Coverlet. Coverlet.
Coverlet. Coverlet. A coverlet is a lightweight bedspread that is typically used as a decorative layer on top of other bedding. It is often made of cotton or other natural fibers and can come in a variety of styles, patterns, and colors. Coverlets are typically smaller than traditional bedspreads and are designed to be draped over the top of the bed, rather than tucked in like a traditional bedspread. They are a popular choice for those who want to add a decorative touch to their bedding without adding extra warmth or bulk.